Welcome back to my channel JBR Online Classes. Like, share and subscribe my channel. So hello everyone, so today I'm going to start exercise 3.7 from the book of M.L. Agarwal. And before I'm going to solve this problem, first we have to learn these formulas. These are called multiple and submultiple formulas of trigonometric function. So as here sin 2x equal to 2 sin x cos x, then if it will be only x, then it will be sin x by 2 cos x by 2. This was the multiple and this is the submultiple. Okay, as same as cos 2x equal to cos square minus sin square, then if here is x, then it will be x by 2 x by 2. Then the another formula 2 cos square x minus 1 minus 2 sin square x. Here also 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1 minus 2 sin square x by 2. Next sin 2x, it will be 2 tan x 1 plus tan square x by 2. Cos 2x 1 minus tan square x by 1 plus tan square x. Tan 2x 2 tan x 1 minus tan square x. Okay, now there sin 3x, and that equal to 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x, as well as cos 3x, that equal to 4 cos cube minus 3 cos x, and the last one tan 3x, that equal to 3 tan x minus tan cube x 1 minus 3 tan square x. Okay, so if you want to take a screenshot, you can take, or you can also write down this formula in your notebook. So now I am going to solve the exercise problems. Here the first one, sin x equal to 2 by 3, and you have to find out cos 2x. So cos 2x equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x. There are three formulas in cos 2x. You have to choose your formula by depending the given function. So here 1 minus 2 sin square x, now put down the value of sin square, so it will be 4 by 9, so 1 minus 2 into 4 by 9, that equal to 1 by 9. Next, cos x equal to minus 2 by 5, you have to find out cos 2x, so now you can choose this one, 2 cos square x minus 1, put down the value and you will get your answer. Third one, tan x equal to half. First you have to find out tan 2x. And the formula will be 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x. Now put down the value of tan and tan square. It will be 2 into half and 1 minus 1 by 4 as tan square. So 1 by 4. So that equal to 1 by 3 by 4. It's 4 by 3. Next one, sin 2x, 2 into tan by 1 plus tan square. That is the formula. So after calculation you will get 4 by 5. Next, cos 2x, the formula is 1 minus tan square by 1 plus tan square. Okay, after calculation you will get 3 by 5. Next, sum number 4. If sin x equal to 2 by 3, then find the value of sin 3x. So here the formula of sin 3x, that equal to 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. So 3 sin x means 3 into 2 by 3, and here sin cube, that means 2 by 3 whole cube, so 8 by 27. So 2 minus 32 by 27 as 8 into 4 32, so it will be 22 by 27. Now next one, sum number 5. Cos x equal to minus 2 by 5, so cos 3x. So here the formula of cos 3x, that equal to 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. Now cos cube means minus 2 by 5 whole cube, so minus 8 by 125, and cos x minus 2 by 5. Okay, so here the value, and after calculation you will get 118 by 125 as your final answer. Next one, sum number 6. Number 1, cos 2x plus 2 sin square x, that equal to 1. You have to prove this one equal to 1. So cos 2x, now cos 2x means 1 minus 2 sin square x by the formula, and here also plus 2 sin square x. So 2 sin square, 2 square cancel out, so it will be 1, so it's proved. Next one, cos x minus sin x whole square. So it will be cos square plus sin square, and then minus 2 sin x cos x. The formula a minus b whole square. Okay, so sin square plus cos square, that equal to 1, and here 2 sin x cos x, by the formula it will be sin 2x. So 1 minus sin 2x, and that equal to right hand side. So it's proved. Third one, cos 2x by cos x minus sin x. Okay, so here as cos 2x, the formula of cos 2x is cos square x minus sin square x. So now cos square minus sin square, that means here you can apply the formula a square minus b square. Then the upper one will be cos x plus sin x and cos x minus sin x. Okay, so now cos x minus sin x will be cancelled out with the denominator, and as remaining here will be cos x plus sin x, and that equal to right hand side. So it's also proved. Next, sum number 7. Prove that sin 2x by 1 plus cos 2x that equal to 10x. So sin 2x means 2 sin x cos x, and 1 plus cos 2x is the formula of 2 cos square x. So 2 cancel out, cos square cos cancel out, so it will be sin by cos, that means 10x. Next one, it's the third one, because sum number 2 as same as the previous one, so I hope you can solve it. Here the third one, 1 minus cos 2x by 1 plus cos 2x is the formula of 2 sin square x by 2 cos square x. 2 cancel out and it's tan square x. It's very easy. Now the fourth one, 1 plus sin 2x minus cos 2x by 1 plus sin 2x plus cos 2x. Okay, so now here 1 plus sin 2x. Okay, so 1 plus here sin 2x means 2 sin x cos x, and 1 minus cos 2x is the formula of 2 sin square x. Clear? Next, again sin 2x means 2 sin x cos x, and 1 plus cos 2x, that is the formula of 2 cos square x. Now from the upper one, 2 sin x will be common, so here cos x plus sin x. From the lower one, 2 cos x will be common, so sin x plus cos x, so it will be cancel out, 2 cancel out, sin by cos, that equal to 10. Next, sum number 8. Prove that cos cube x minus sin cube x by cos x minus sin x. So cos cube minus sin cube, that means here you can apply the formula a cube minus b cube. And what is the formula? A minus b, then a square plus ab plus b square. As here a equal to cos and b equal to sin, so cos minus sin, then cos square plus cos x sin x plus sin square x. So it will be cancel out. Now sin square plus cos square, that equal to 1, and here cos x sin x, so cos x sin x. So now here I adjust 2 with cos x sin x, so 2 sin x cos x and multiply with half to adjust these 2, because we know the formula of 2 sin x cos x, it will be sin 2x. Okay, so that's why here I multiply sin x cos x by 2, and to adjust these 2 here also multiply with half. So 1 plus half sin 2x. Okay, now if half will be common, so it will be 2 plus sin 2x, which is the right hand side. So it's proved. Next, 8.2. 1 minus cos 2x plus sin x, then sin 2x plus cos x. So now 1 minus cos 2x is the formula of 2 sin square x, then plus sin x. Here sin 2x, the formula will be 2 sin x cos x, then plus cos x. Now from the upper one, sin x will be common, so it will be 2 sin x plus 1. Here the lower one, cos x will be common, so 2 sin x plus 1. So it will be cancel out, sin by cos, and that equal to tan x, which is the right hand side. Okay, now sum number 9. In the left hand side you have cos x, cos 2x, cos 4x and cos 8x. Right hand side you have sin 16x by 16 sin x. Okay, so here first as cos x and cos 2x, then cos 4x and then cos 8x. Okay, so now 2 sin x cos x. 2 sin x cos x, that means sin 2x. Okay, that means here first we multiply up and down with sin 2x. As there is no denominator, so first we multiply the upper one with 2 sin x, and that's why in the denominator here also 2 sin x. Why I multiply here? Because we know the formula 2 sin x cos x, it will be convert into sin 2x. Okay, so now here only cos x, that's why multiply here 2 sin x. So now 2 sin x cos x, that will be sin 2x. Now here sin 2x cos 2x. So if we multiply again by 2, then it will be 2 sin x cos x. So here also 2 and here also 2. Now here we can again apply the formula, that is sin 2x formula. So as here 2x, it will be sin 4x. Now sin 4x cos 4x. That means again we have to multiply 2 and 2. 2 with the numerator and 2 with the denominator. So it will be now sin 8x. Now sin 8x cot 8x. So again to have to apply the formula, again we have to multiply 2 with 2. So it will be sin 16x and the lower one 16 sin x, right hand side. That means each and every step, first one just you have to multiply 2 sin x up and down, and then each and every step we have to multiply 2 in upper one and lower one both to adjust these two. Okay, and each and every time you have to apply the same formula, that is sin 2x, and that equal to 2 sin x cos x. Sum number 10, cos x plus sin x by cos x minus sin x. Here minus cos x minus sin x by cos x plus sin x, and that equal to, you prove, 2 tan 2x. So here the LCM will be cos minus sin, cos plus sin, that means cos square minus sin square. A square minus b square formula. So now it will be cos x plus sin x whole square, and here also cos x minus sin x whole square. So the lower one will be cos square minus sin square is a formula of cos 2x. Okay, and the upper one, okay, so यहाँ पर मैंने स्टेप जंप किया है, ध्यान से देखिएगा. cos square plus sin square, it will be 1. Here also cos square plus sin square, it will be also 1. As here minus, so 1 cancel out. Now from the first part, here will be 2 sin x cos x, because here you can apply the formula a plus b whole square. So a square plus b square and plus 2ab. So यहाँ से भी एक 2ab आएगा, यहाँ से भी एक 2ab आएगा. That means यहाँ से एक 2 sin x cos x आएगा, और यहाँ से भी माइनस 2 sin x cos x आएगा. अब बाहर में माइनस दिया हुआ है, सो माइनस माइनस प्लस हो जाएगा. सो 2 sin x cos x, here also 2 sin x cos x, that equal to 4 sin x cos x. I hope you understand. So now 4 means 2 into 2. So 2 sin x cos x is the formula of sin 2x, and another 2 here 2. So 2 into sin 2x. Now sin 2x cos 2x, it will be tan 2x. So 2 tan 2x. It's proved. Next 11. 1 plus cos square 2x. Okay, and you have to prove this one. So 1 means 1 square, and cos 2x whole square means cos square. Now 1 means sin square plus cos square. Okay, so sin square plus cos square whole square, and cos 2x means sin square x minus cos square x minus sin square x whole square. So now here you can just apply the formula a plus b whole square. So it will be a square plus b square, and here will be a 1 2ab form, that means 2 sin square cos square. Here also 1 2ab form, but it will be in negative, so this will be cancel out. Here plus 2ab, here minus 2ab will be cancel out. So here also cos to the power 4 sin to the power 4. Now 2 will be common, as there are 2 sin to the power 4, so 2 common, so sin to the power 4 plus cos to the power 4. Next, sum number 12. In sum number 12, 1 cot x by 2 minus tan x by 2, and you have to prove that 2 cot x. So cot x by 2 means 1 by tan x by 2 minus tan x by 2. So by the LCM, it will be tan x by 2 and 1 minus tan square x by 2. Okay, now as here tan x by 2, so here to adjust the formula, here I multiply 2 with this tan x by 2, because here is a formula 1 minus tan square x by 2 by 2 tan x by 2, it will be cot x. Okay, cot x का फॉर्मूला होता है 1 माइनस टेन स्क्वायर एक्स बाई 2 बाई 2 tan x बाई 2. अब यहाँ पर मैंने एक 2 एडजस्ट किया है, इस 2 के लिए यहाँ पर मैंने एक मल्टीप्लाई 2 कर दिया. ओके, फिर 2 कैंसिल आउट हो जाएगा, जो पहला वाला फॉर्म था वो लौट के आ जाएगा. सो नाउ इट विल बी 2 cot x. So it will be 2 cot x as the right hand side. Now 12 root over 1 plus sin x by 1 minus sin x. You have to prove that tan pi by 4 plus x by 2. So first here I multiply 1 plus sin x with up and down. So upper one will be 1 plus sin x whole square, and lower one as the formula of a square minus b square, that means 1 minus sin square. So now 1 minus sin square means cos square. So root cos square means cos x, and the upper one 1 plus sin x whole square. So root over that will be 1 plus sin x. Now 1 means sin square x by 2 plus cos square x by 2, as sin x equal to 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. Okay, that is the formula. Here cos x means cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2. Clear? So in this step I just write down the formula only, nothing else. So as here sin square x by 2 plus cos square x by 2 and plus 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. Okay, watch very carefully, observe it. And here cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. How? Now cos x by 2 minus cos square minus sin square. So that means here you can write cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2, and also cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 as a square minus b square formula. A plus b into a minus b. and here the upper one will be sin x by 2 plus cos x by 2 whole square, because a square plus b square plus 2ab is the formula of a plus b whole square. So that's why here will be a whole square form, but in the denominator here also cos x by 2 sin x by 2, so it's cancelled out with the upper one, so there will be only one sin x by 2 plus cos x by 2 is left. Clear? So now in this stage you have to divide it by cos x by 2. In this stage you have to divide the numerator and denominator both by cos x by 2. Why? As here you have to prove tan, so to convert sin into tan you have to divide it by cos x by 2. So sin x by 2 by cos x by 2, it will be tan, and then cos x by 2 by cos x by 2, it will be 1. As same as the denominator, cos x by 2 by cos x by 2 1, here also sin x by 2 by cos x by 2, that equal to also tan x by 2. So upper one 1 plus tan x by 2, lower one 1 minus tan x by 2. Now as here pi by 4 plus x by 2. So now if you solve this portion from here to direct to find out the right hand side, you can do it, or you can also break it down this one and you will get this value. So here I solve from left to right directly, but if you want to separate, so just stop the solution here from the left hand side and then you have to start your solution from the right hand side. So as here tan pi by 4 plus x by 2, that means here you can apply the formula tan x plus y, and the formula will be tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. So this one tan a plus tan b 1 minus tan b. Now you know the value tan pi by 4, that means 1, so 1 plus tan x by 2 1 minus tan x by 2. So it will be more easier, but if you want to solve right in this way, you can also solve it. Here I just replace the value of 1 with tan pi by 4. Here also as nothing is here, so 1 will be multiply, so tan pi by 4, and it will be tan a plus b formula. Okay. Now sum number 13. This is the last sum in this video. So if you like my video, please share this video and please subscribe my channel if you are a new viewer. So here in 13, tan x plus cot x equal to 2 cosec 2x. Now cot means 1 by tan, so tan x plus 1 by tan x. Then by the LCM it will be tan square x plus 1 by tan x. अब यहाँ पर मैंने एक 2 लाया है क्योंकि 2 का फॉर्मूला होता है tan 1 plus tan square by 2 tan x. Okay, that is the formula of cosec 2x. It is the formula of cosec 2x. Okay, so यहाँ पर एक 2 लाने के लिए यहाँ पर एक 2 एडजस्ट करना होगा. So it will be now cosec 2x into 2. Okay, so it's proved. Now here you have to deduce the value of tan 75 plus cot 75. So as here x tan x plus cot x equal to 2 cosec 2x, that means here 75, so 2 cosec 2 into 75. So 2 cosec 150. Now cosec 150 means sin 150. Sin 150 means 90 plus 60. That becomes 150. So sin 90 plus x, it will be cos x. So cos 60. As here 2, so 2 by cos 60. Now cos 60 का value क्या होता है? Half. So it will be 2. So 2 into 2 and that becomes 4. So it's proved.